Hi there! In this video we're going to cover how to create a report in 4-H Online. The first thing you need to do is log into your family profile. Then go to your club leader and log into your club. Then go to the Reports tab, and here is where you will find all of your reports that you have made. There are standard reports that have been pre-made for you by the web team at 4-H Online at the state level. These are really helpful that you can just use right off the bat, but we're going to cover how to create your own. So the first thing you need to do is go over to the right-hand side and select Create Report. Here you will title your report, and if you want, give it a description. The title is what the report will be labeled as in your list of reports, so it is helpful to give it a name that briefly explains what the report searches. Then create report, and here then you will be taken to the report section of the report. Here's where you will tell 4-H Online what information you want to have pulled from the system. So everything that is labeled with enrollment before the colon is going to pull information from a profile for the current year only. Family is information that will be pulled from the family profile, and member information is information that will be pulled from the member profile. Then you can go to participation. Club will pull information from whatever clubs a member is a part of. Group will grab information from the groups that they are in. Project will grab information about the projects the member is participating in. And trainings will show what trainings they have completed. If your county is using the animal system, you can use the Animal tab to pull information on what animals the member is using. Registration information might work. 4-H Online has some issues with the registration and payment tabs. So do not be surprised if you are using anything under registration or payment to have the report break. So for now, we will grab member name and then click the arrow with pointing over to this side. This is what you are searching. This is all the potential ones. And if you want to remove it, just click the arrows, dragging it back. So, grab first name, and we'll go with status. Then, once you have everything that you want to search up, sometimes it's helpful to use the include second county function. This will grab information from other counties in case a club member is dual enrolled. And then hit save. If you do not hit save, none of the information that you have set up will be carried over. Then you can go to the Standard Filters tab, This is where you can refine what profiles you are looking at. So, projects usually is the best way to refine a search. So if you're only looking for club members that are participating in a certain project, such as poultry, you can just grab them, move them over just like in the report section, and search for only these parameters. Then you can scroll down to all of these various options for further refinement. So you can say, I only want to go to the role section and say, I only want youth members. So now the report will only select members who are labeled as youth. And then another helpful one is under status, you can look for only active or pending members. And then, just like on the report section, after you have everything you want selected, hit save at the bottom, or else nothing you have done will be carried over. Then you can go to data and formatting options. Here is where you can select how you want the information displayed in your final report. So you can create filters, but the most helpful is sorting, where you can select one of your result parameters and say, I want that to be sorted by either ascending or descending order. So in this case, the full name will be sorted first name last, and then in descending order, so Z will be at the top and A's will be at the bottom. And just like in the previous two pages, you have to hit save or else nothing will be carried over. Then you can go to the grid view, and it will display your results in just a grid format. And here you can click on the Excel button to save it as an Excel file. Then you can go to the View Report, and this is the full report section. It will be saved as a PDF file by default. You can hit the little disk icon to save your report, or you can directly print it, or just print the current page. But it will be displayed in a more professional manner, and it will also apply the data and formatting options you have selected. Once you are done, and if you want to create more reports, you can just click the Reports button again to bring you back to the top section. If you are done with a report and no longer want to use it, you can click it to select it and say Delete Report. It will give you a confirmation if you really want to delete it. If you are truly done with the report and no longer need it, say OK, and it will remove it from your list. Alrighty, I hope this has been helpful. Have a great day.